Hello viewers, welcome again. Today we are going to prove these trigonometric relations. And how can we prove? Let us see. I just make a circle of radius r, and this my OA line is revolving line, and this makes an angle theta with x-axis. This is the x-axis, this is y-axis. So now I have to prove sine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cosine of theta. So how can we prove? Let us see. This pi by 2 minus theta is which angle? Suppose this OA now revolve same angle theta from y-axis. OA, let this is A prime, OA prime. So now this OA prime making angle theta from y-axis. So what is the angle from x-axis? This OA prime, pi by 2 minus theta. So I make it in another circle of same radius r. So now this angle becomes is what? Pi by 2 minus theta. This angle from x-axis, and this is y-axis. So now let from A prime I made a perpendicular on OX. This is B prime. So we have to prove sine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cosine of theta. So we will look in simultaneously pi by 2 minus theta and theta. Pi by 2 minus theta in which triangle? In this triangle. And theta in this triangle. So anyhow we prove OA prime, B prime, this triangle, and OA, let this be OAB triangle. So these two triangles I have to prove congruent. For congruent, how can we prove these two triangles are congruent? Let us see. This OA prime is same as this OA, as the same radius here and the same radius here. So OA prime is equal to OA is equal to radius r, and this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Now this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. Why this theta? As two parallel lines, these are two parallel lines, and this line is crossing these two parallel lines, so these two angles are equal. So theta equal this theta, and third one angle, this pi by 2 minus theta is equal to this angle pi by 2 minus theta. So now three angles are equal and one side, that is r, equal to r. So our triangles, these two triangles are congruent. So our function is what? Sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Let us see. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Sine of any angle is what? Perpendicular over hypotenuse. And perpendicular in pi by 2 minus theta, in which triangle it exists? In this triangle. So pi by 2 minus theta is what? A, B, this is our what? Perpendicular or base. This is our perpendicular. A prime, B prime. Divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? O, A prime. O, A prime. Now A prime, B prime is what? This distance is what? This distance is equal to OB, as these two triangles are congruent. That this distance is x. So OB is equal to A prime, B prime. That is this distance is also x. So now A prime, B prime is what? X. And OA prime is what? This distance r. So now by looking in this triangle, x upon r is what? X upon r is your cosine theta. As in my previous video I proved this. So x upon r is what? Cos theta. Thus, sine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cosine of theta. Proved. Similarly, we can prove other trigonometric relations as of tangent of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cosine theta and the rest of these. Hopefully this is helpful to you all, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.